Hello, this is just a quick C++ tutorial on how to convert a uint64 into a string value. It's quite simple actually. We're going to use string streams to do this, so what you need to include in your file is the stream reference. We need to create a string stream. Call that SS, and then all we need to do is put the integer into this stream like so, and then from this string stream that we've made we can then just create a bog standard string with it by doing ss.str brackets, and that creates our string value. And just to prove that this does actually work, we will print this out. So string value of int64, and then put in the string value. Right, so, and we're using, because we have a string value, if we need it as a const char array, sorry, we can just use cstring on the end of the string value we've got out. So if I just do char value of that, and then just to prove this works, let's hit run, and there we go. Oh, it didn't format that very nicely. Hold on. And then rerun that. There we go. String value is the max value it can be, char value the max value it can be. So yeah, hopefully that helped out. If you have any requests for any tutorials or anything you want me to go over, let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.